Well, hello again, everyone. Buckle up because we are in for a long ride. You might want to go use the bathroom, grab a snack, get yourself something to drink. Because this haul video from Fuller's Flea Market, it's going to be a long one. And I could have split it up into two videos, but you know how I am. I just want to get her done. So I will try to go through the stuff as quickly as possible. So this trip, because I did go back today, but this trip from Tuesday, today is Thursday when I'm recording this, I spent $100. Yes. So, with that being said, let's get on with this video. All right. Tighten your seatbelts, guys. Okay. I did get this very cool Wheaton bottle. It's like a carnival glass kind of a look. It is the Midnight Ride of Paul Revere. It has the info on the back. This is a very cool bottle. I love that oil slick, that look, that rainbowy. It's awesome. So, and as I show these, I'm going to set them on the floor because I couldn't put another thing on this table if I tried. Okay. Now, we have the Hull, Hull, Blushing Apple Cookie Jar. Now, as you can see, there are two little chipperoonies on the stem. And there is a chip right here on the inside of the lid. But you don't see that. So, can't see it, must not be there. That's the way I look at it. Easy touch up right there, you know, touch it right up. And other than that, those are the only issues with this cookie jar. I think this is from the 40s, but don't quote me on that because I didn't research it yet. But, yep, there it is. There is the mark on the bottom. So, this was a great find. Let me show you the inside too real quick. A little bit of crazing on the bottom. See that dark spot? I mean, it's really in fantastic condition. Wow. It's got to be washed up because there's still some sugar in the bottom from some sugar cookies or something. All right, there we go. All right. Next, I found this cool vintage pack of cocktail spears, you know, for your olives and whatnot. What do they call them? For cocktails and hors d'oeuvres. Brand new. So we got those. I'm just going to set them down there. I did get this beautiful pair of candle holders. Look how pretty those are. And you can use them in two ways. You could use them this way. You could put a pillar candle in there or on that end. So I like that. You know, you could get two different looks from one item. So, and I really liked the design of them. Yep, bring in black. Yep. Bringing back the clear glass. The brain is not functioning any longer and words are hard. This is video number 3. Okie dokie. All right, let me show you this little guy. This is a Lennox Tweety bird. Look at the little hairs on his head, all intact. He is in perfect condition. I will be listing him on eBay. He sells for $30 on eBay. So that was a great find. There was quite a few pieces of Lennox. Let me set him back there. Okay. I got this beautiful set of Swan candle holders. These are also in perfect condition. I cleaned them all up. They look beautiful. And I have a set of Swan Candles that I will include with these. Now, they're a little bit wonky, but you know what? They look fantastic in there. So, and these are brand new, never burned. I have the box right here that they came in. So I will include these along with those beautiful candle holders. Just put these back in here. So I was like, oh, look at that. I can use these for those candle holders. I forgot I actually had them. So there we go. Okay, so we got those. Let's see. I'm trying to... I can't put them on the chair behind me because I have stuff on the chair too. This was one of my favorite things that I found, believe it or not. This is a vintage home ceramic fairy lamp. OMG. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness. I love this. It's signed on the bottom. Hang on a second. Or is it not? Let me look. Yes, the initials are on there, but I can't tell if there's a date. But this is an amazing, I was going to say tea light. No, it is an amazing fairy lamp. The wax is getting onto my wick there, so that's why the candle kind of went down. All right, now I can set this over here. Let me blow that out. Okay. And set this over here. Pardon me, guys. Okay. This is gorgeous. This is by Abingdon, USA. What a gorgeous vase that is. Perfect condition. Beautiful. You know, can I just say how much I hate bras? Okay, thank you. Okay, I got these two Hummel Goebel decorative plates. These are from 1977 and 1973. Those I'm waiting to show till after. I got this beautiful creamer and sugar set. And when I went back today, I found the cup that goes with it. English Lakes is the name of the pattern, and they are made by Shelley, England. So this is the sugar bowl. I was just looking at my thing. I got a text message from Alex at chapter 2, and there is the creamer. Look how pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Show you the bottom there. So I got that beautiful set, and I also will have the cup that goes with them. There was only one cup. I'm going to have a swig. I have moved on from my Diet Coke to now my iced tea. Diet iced tea. That's all I drink. I got this vintage manicure set. This is the case that it comes in. It's been taped back here. That's the bottom. But let me show you what's inside. Isn't that awesome? You know that's all Bakelite handles. It's gotta be. I really wish I could tell. What's in these little metal things? These little containers. Nothing. I don't know what was in there at one time, but there's two of these in there. But I'll take one of the tools out and show you. And then it looks like wood on the other side. So they're not Bakelite. Maybe this part is Bakelite. I don't know. I can never tell. So that was a very cool find. Then I found these Fenton. Look at these gorgeous goblets with the roses. Oh my word. There's the bottom. Now they're not marked Fenton, but I did look them up because I thought they might be Fenton, and they are indeed. And I did get 3 of these, and all 3 are in perfect condition. So those are fabulous. Okay. I also got this. This is amazing. I bought this for a friend, and it just has one issue, which I will correct. You see her little nose? But I will fix that. I Love Lucy. 3D coming out of the TV set. It is a teapot. Now see, we have a couple little things there, but that's all like minuscule issues that I can fix, see, with no problemo. I was not leaving this behind because of those couple of little dings. Oh my goodness. Oh, what an item. What an item. Let me grab this because this is a huge item. Look at this vase, you guys. Can't even get it all. There it is. Now it's all in the frame. It is cased glass. Is that not amazing? I have no idea how tall this is. My guess is it's probably about 18 inches tall. Yeah. It's pretty sick, isn't it? Yes. I love it. I love it. It is heavy as all get out. I mean, it's not like heavy, but it's heavy, you know. You know. You know. Okay. Now, I'm going to move on to the milk glass extravaganza. Yes. Milk glass extravaganza. Fenton milk glass. Fenton hobnail milk glass. Yes. Hey, Fritzy boy. All right. I have cleared a little path here so that I have some place to put all these pieces of Fenton as I show them. All right. I'm just trying to like move this. I don't need my magnifying glass. I don't need this anymore. I don't need my black light because, yeah, none of that glows. Okay, so this stuff I can put down here. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. Sorry, my lips are chapped. Let's start with this gorgeous milk glass butter dish with the grape and leaf pattern. Now these things I have to wash. The person I think smoked, so they're a little discolored, you know. I just gotta wash them. I think I'm gonna put all of this right in my dishwasher and be done with it. There are no markings on it, which means this is before, I think it's 1971. So that's beautiful. I got two. Now these are both marked Fenton on the bottom, so these are after 1971. I have two of the kitten coming out of the shoes, hobnail shoes. There is your Fenton in the circle or the oval. This, I believe, is a candle holder. There's no marking on this one, and it sits just like this. Isn't that awesome? So here, let me grab the tea light. Where's the tea light? Oh, it's in here still. Let me grab it and we'll show you. We'll show you how it looks. Now, I just put the darn lighter on the floor. Okay. See how purty that is? Gorgeous. I'm going to leave it lit. All right. Holy hell. I did not pay $30 for that, obviously. I don't know. This was whatever. I gotta wash all of it anyway, like I said. Now this, they put felt on the bottom, so I don't know if there is a marking on it or not. I know that felt will probably come off in the dishwasher, but look at that spectacular piece. That is a banana boat. Amazing. Oops, move the camera. I did get a beautiful vase. Or if you're like me from New York, it's a vase. It's just a vase. It's not a vase. It's a vase. How you doing? No mark on it. Nah, that's not a good idea. We'll put it over here. All right. I did get this gorgeous creamer and sugar set. Let me just tell you that all of these are in perfect condition. These have the Fenton on the bottom. This one has the Fenton on the inside of the lid and on the bottom. Okay. Then I got this gorgeous covered candy dish. It is so dirty. I'm not even going to show you the inside, okay? It is marked Fenton on the bottom. So there are two sizes. Well, this one's a little different. This one does not have the pedestal. But it's almost like the same design, but no pedestal. So this one and this one is marked in a very, very small, see that right there, guys? Very, very small mark on this one. This I love. I have never seen this before. Look at, isn't that awesome? It's got the 4 feet on the bottom. Oh my goodness, I love this. I'm gonna have to pull out my Fenton book and look up what these are called so I can do some research so I know how to price them accordingly. We have this beautiful dish. Probably a nut dish, candy dish, footed. The sawtooth design, I love that. And it's marked Fenton on the bottom. We have this beauty. Look at this. That is amazing. I love it. It is marked Fenton as well. We have this gorgeous butter dish. This is so dirty. It's like I don't even want to touch it right now. It is filthy. Oh my goodness. But it's in perfect condition. So there's that piece. Well, this isn't taking as long as I thought. Let me fix this. I feel like crooked or something. Got this beautiful footed candy dish. It is marked Fenton on the bottom. You could see there's some felt left on there that they put on the bottom of the little feet so it wouldn't scratch the furniture. I got 2 baskets. Small one and the bigger one. Fenton on the bottom of both. I'm going to set that one kind of inside of there. Okay, let me grab these over here and then I can move some of this stuff over. Okay. Works for me. Woohoo! All right. Then I got these gorgeous silver lace. Look how dirty they are, guys. Candle holders. I love the silver lace. I think it's so beautiful. I got these two beautiful taper candle holders. I got not just one, but two of these. All right, so I want to show you. I'm going to do this first. Okay. I got two Fenton thumbprint Eperns. The other one is in perfect condition. This one, I will show you. The bottom of the horn broke off in the hole. Whoever buys it, what you can do is put a dab of, E6000 or super glue on this and set it in here, and it should stay into place. However, I mean, if you feel lucky, let me show you. Let me take these other two out. I don't know if I would try to get that piece out. If you know a way to get it out, you could try, but I would be very afraid of cracking the rest of the bowl, because I do have another one of these horns exactly like this that I've had for a very long time, that I could send with whoever buys this Epern. I do feel a little chip right here. If they decide to try to get that piece out. So, but the other one is in perfect condition. So, I will just set this right back in here. The reason I'm not going to glue it now is because for shipping, because I will take them out and wrap them individually. So I wouldn't want to, wrap the bowl with one, horn in there. But yes, two of these. Holy moly. I'm going to take this out, though, and just lay it in the bowl for now. And set this over here. Okay. If I don't break something in the meantime, my goodness, I'm trying to be careful. And the more careful I try to be, the worse it gets. Okay. Now, the last part of this video, this haul. Oh, let me show you. I got this adorable little kitty figurine. Look at those gorgeous blue eyes. It's an Avon piece from 1984. I know people love kitties. So the rest of this haul video is going to be a salt and pepper extravaganza. Yes, indeed. I got some very, very cool salt and pepper sets, guys. So let's just start with these. These are otagiri little chicken and rooster or whatever. This is the rooster, I think, and that's the chicken. Salt and peppers, right? They're in perfect condition. They don't have any issues. They're from 1981. Holy cow. That was the year I graduated. That was 40 years ago, you guys. Actually going on 41 years ago. I'm like, oh my God, 1981. I feel like it was just yesterday when I was in high school. You know, it's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy. Then I got these. These are very cool. I have no idea who makes these. I would probably say Japan. But we have the choo-choo train and the old-fashioned car. Salt and pepper. Well, like I said, these are all salt and pepper shakers. So, these are pretty cool. So, we got those. This one I'm going to keep for myself. I could not find its mate. And you guys know I like anthropomorphic salt and pepper shakers. Look at this guy. The man in the moon. He's awesome. Isn't he cool? I love him. So I'm going to keep him. He's going to go on my shelf if I can find room in the hallway. Then I got these. These are cuter than cute. You're getting a twofer here. You have the salt and pepper shakers, which are the eggs, and then you have the egg cups for the bodies. How cute are those? OMG. No idea who makes them. Not marked. Oh, there's still salt and pepper in there. Yuck. Okay. Those are adorable. All right. Now, let me pull this over here. And I will show you the salt and pepper shakers. All right. These I'm going to look up because I don't remember why, but they banned Pepe Le Pew. Like, really? You don't have anything better to do? You have to ban a cartoon character? We have Pepe and his girl in the bumper cars. These are from 1999. So apparently they might be worth some money because they banned poor Pepe. Was it because he was too pewy? What a bunch of baloney. Then I have this set, which I love. I thought of Katie at Vintage and Vinyl when I saw these. I look at, how cute are those? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It says, to lunch refreshed. These are very cool. These are from 2000. Love this one. Then I got these because they look like Binksy, my Binksy boy. This one's got a teeny tiny chip on his ear there. But I'm going to keep these, and I think I'm just going to put them out at Halloween. So those are cute. These are amazing. Look at these, guys. Oh my goodness. Perfect condition. Perfect condition. They are Lennox, and they are from 1997. And they still have salt and pepper in them. So I heard Stephanie say that she is going to be doing an all Disney sale. I have to find out when it is because I will sell those in that sale. Look at this. These are from 1998. Oh. Sylvester and Tweety. They are awesome. I always loved Sylvester. He was pretty cool. He's missing his stopper though. So, wait till you guys see these. Now, look at this. Bugs Bunny and Taz. Are you kidding me right now? Pretty soon, they're going to ban Bugs Bunny. 1998. This one is really awesome. I'm just going to hold it in place. This is JFK. There's the chair. This is from 1998. And then he's got the holes there. How cool is that pair of salt and pepper shakers? That is awesome. Then we have Snoopy and Woodstock. Wait, which way does he sit? No, he sits, I don't know. I think they just go like this. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Whoops, I did it again. Did it again. Then we have, these are from 1999. Lucy salt and pepper shakers. How cool are those? Oh my goodness. I asked my daughter if she wanted these and she said no. We have Winnie the Pooh and Piglet. They sit like this. How cute are those? I have one more set of modern ones. Now, these do have a chip, which I'm not worried about. But because they are amazing, these are, there's no date on these. Wait. Yes, there is. 2004. And there's a chip right on the dang front. Look at the Beatles. Oh my word. They fit together like this. Those are the shizzle. Oh my goodness. So I will fill in that little chip. All right, now for the vintage ones. I got these little doggies. They got their original corks. They're from Japan. I got the little piggy and a hot dog. Those are hilarious. They have no stoppers. Then I got these. These are so dirty. I have to wash these. They are filthy. These two little squirrels. Aren't they adorable? I got bananas. Bananas. The stopper is inside on this one, but this one is right there. These are Japan. And the last pair, Sean from Skunky Junk is going to have a cow. Pickles! Can you believe it? We have pickles, salt and pepper shakers. OMG. I'm probably just going to send these to Sean. When I saw them, I said, I have to get these and send these to Sean. Okay, guys, I'm down to my last 3 items, which are pictures. I had to get this one just because, well, first of all, the frame is old, but it's just all these snapshots of the fam. Not my fam, but somebody's fam. There's the frame. I thought that was pretty cool. This is gorgeous. I have to clean these. To Mother from Bernice and Frank. Best wishes. That's what it says on the back. This frame, I need to pound in the nail there because look at the frame, first of all. Look at that beautiful picture. Isn't that stunning? The colors, oh my gosh. Gorgeous. And this picture, I'm probably going to keep. I'm not sure. Look at this picture. Oh my goodness. It is signed. It is called The Bluebird's Serenade. And look at that little baby looking up at that birdie as he's singing. I have 2 pictures in my living room. One is of a little girl looking at a bird, and then they're both pictures are of a little kid looking at a bird. So that's why I was thinking I might keep this one and hang this one as well, but I don't know where. I'm running out of wall space. So, guys, are you still awake? Are you still with me? Did you make it to the end of the video? Can you say amazing haul? $100 for all of this stuff. Can you imagine if I bought this stuff at Goodwill? It would probably cost me like $500. Oh dear. Wow, I'm tired now. I am going to get something to eat. And I'm going to watch Alex and Aaron's live sale this evening. It didn't even take me 45 minutes for this haul. I'm proud of myself. I thought it was going to take me at least an hour. So I'm just going to shut up. I'm going to get off this video, close the video out, and say thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you liked everything that I got. Most of this will be for sale in live sales. Some things I am probably going to list on eBay depending on my research. So, with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Have a good night.